day. What have we got here? Straight from Japan. This is the third Taiyo I've got from Japan recently. I don't want to name exactly where I'm getting them from because it just seems like an incredible source, probably a bit of a secret. Lots of these things going around for good prices at the moment. So here it is. It's a turbo model, 9.6 volts. I'm very excited about this little car. There's this Ferrari and a Lamborghini. I think the Ferrari and the Lamborghini kind of came out as a pair. I think it's on that RC history, RC nostalgia, whatever site it is. I'll put the link below for that site. Great site. Let's take a closer look. Oh yeah, so this did come from Japan and it is obviously an American model. The seller called it the export model, though I see a Toys R Us sticker here. I don't know if that means he got it from Toys R Us in America or maybe Toys R Us in Japan, or I really don't know. If you're not aware, this is 1989.
Kick in the turbo and it's practically unstoppable.
So yeah, this is in pretty much perfect condition. The car's in fantastic condition. Yeah, just a bit of dust really. Wow. Such a tiny little car. Putting 9.6 volts in this at the time would have been just crazy, you know. Usually you're much bigger. Your jet hoppers and stuff would have had the 9.6 volts. So, okay, let's have a look. Wow. Just not a scratch on it, you know. It must have been used indoors a couple of times and then just put on the shelf, whoever bought this.
Ah, God! Oh, oh my God! Oh! All right, I'm done.
Those birds, what is with those birds? They won't shut up this morning. So you look, they're just squeezing as much batteries as they can into it. This is a 9.6 volt car, so much bigger. This is a Jet Hopper 2. The fact they've got 9.6 volts in this thing, that's pretty cool. Doesn't fit the standard case, but it will fit one of these. Just look at that. That's beautiful. Need to give it a good wash down, I think. In there. It's back. Barely fit all the batteries in it. Okay. All right. Now for this. Geez, this looks like it hasn't been used. You know, they barely touched it. This one. All right. Give it a shot. It's going to work. Yes. We've got our red light on the switch. Okay, yep, we've got the red light. Going to work. Okay, here goes. Ooh. All right. So that's normal speed. And then you push it down a bit more. Turbo. Wow. Okay. Steering's a bit dicky. So it works there. Then I push it more, it goes off. Seems like there's a spot in here where it's working. So if I turn it just a little bit, it goes. Then I turn it more, it goes off. So it feels like maybe the contact in here is a bit dirty. All right, so should we open this up and have a look? Man, I don't like opening up these old things. I don't want to break something, but I guess we're going to have to. Okay. So what have we got? 2 Phillips. Oh, there's a screw under there. I'm going to have to... I really didn't want to mess up that sticker. I wonder if there's a better way I can get that sticker off without breaking it. Yeah, I'm going to look this up to see what I can do. There's one here as well. I'm going to have to be super careful with this. All right, let's see what I can find, and I'll see you back on the other side.
Direct the heat at the sticker whilst I am peeling it off by wedging the knife underneath.
Okay, so I've done some research and apparently I can get this sticker off by using a heat gun. I saw it on YouTube, so it must be right, yeah? Got a heat gun. It's bit bigger than the one the lady was using, so I'm wondering if this sticker is plastic. I don't know. I'm going to have to be very careful, but we'll give this a shot. Heat gun and a razor, what could possibly go wrong? That's not good.
Shit.
Yeah, I may as well just put the screwdriver through it. No point in taking this off. There we go. All right. What is that? It's like grease. Must have been the grease from the mechanism that's leaked all over the board.
We're gonna need a montage. Ooh, it takes a montage.
Much better than it was. All right. It's time to give it a go. Wow, it is fast. Like, it's a lot more lively than I expected for a 30-year-old toy RC car. Like, this is very similar to this WPL D12 Mini in turbo mode. It drives a lot like it, actually. It's even funner in a lot of ways. The tyres, because they're slicks, it just drifts so well. This must have been incredible in the late 80s, early 90s, driving one of these about. This would be like nothing else, just because it's so small, but it's got the power of a bigger car inside it, the 9.6 volts. Yeah, that was fun. It was lively. It did feel a bit slow just on the regular mode. The gearbox a little bit grindy. I think I need to get in there and replace the lubricant in the gearbox. I suspect it's all leaked out and turned to liquid probably. I noticed this switch on the back to change the gears from fast to slow. I can't even get it to move. So it's, yeah, definitely the gearbox needs a little bit of work. But yeah, wow, that was surprising. That was really surprising. This is easily my favourite Tyco car now. A lot of fun to drive. I wish I could keep driving it, but I'm scared I'm going to scratch it because it's just, yeah, I think I need to get a second one. This one can be the shelf queen just because it's in great condition. Keep this one on the shelf, at least for now. See if I can find another one, maybe that Lamborghini. If you can get your hands on one of these, I'd highly recommend it because, yeah, it's an absolute blast. That's pretty much all I got for the moment. I might show you guys when I open this thing up and inspect the gearbox and give it a bit of a service. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed a look at this late 80s, early 90s Tyco F-40 Ferrari. Catch you next time. See ya.